Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn to make a lacy scarf which will be very stylish. I have selected a multicolor yarn and so here we have a purple, pink and white shades which adds beauty to our muffler or scarf. I am using 141 grams of yarn and 408 meters in length. The crochet hook I use is 5.5 mm. Now let us start. Let us put a magic knot and then start with chains 1, 2, 3 like this. We'll make 40 chains. I'll finish 40 chains and come back to you. Now for the first row, skip 3 chains 1, 2, 3 and in the fourth chain make a double crochet. Again put 4 chains 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Here skip 4 chains 1, 2, 3, 4 and in the fifth chain make a double crochet. In this same method we will be putting this row continuously 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains. Skip 4 chains in the row 1, 2, 3 and 4 and in the fifth chain let us make a double crochet. After completing this first row, we will be getting a ladder like crochet stitches. I will finish this first row and I will show you the last step. Every time 4 chains, skip 4 chains and put a double crochet. Repeat this throughout the row. 4 chains, skip 4 and 1 double crochet. So I have come to the end of the row. There will be 1 chain left. Let us put 1 double crochet again. So at the beginning and at the end we will be getting 2 double crochet stitches, and in between you can count and see there will be 7 holes. So we have completed the first row, and for the second row let us put 3 chains, turn the side and in the first double crochet let us put 1 double crochet so that in the end we will be getting 2 double crochets continuously. The first 3 chains will make the first double crochet and again a double crochet. Then make 1 chain and in the double crochet hole we put 1 double crochet first, again 1 chain and another double crochet in the same space. Again we will put 1 chain and put a double crochet in the same space. So in every double crochet chain we will be making 3 double crochet. See, it will come like this. We should repeat the same stitches throughout the second row. 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the double crochet chain space, again 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the same space, again 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the same space. So continuously we'll put this for the second row. I have come to the end. In the end there should be 2 rows of double crochets. So in the beginning and in the end, on both the ends, you can see 2 double crochets like this in every row. Again put 3 chains, turn the side and make a double crochet in the first chain. The first 3 chains will make 1 double crochet and again 1 double crochet. So 2 double crochets at the end. Now put 4 chains and join with the center chain with the double crochet. Now we are repeating the first row for the third row. Again 4 chains and join in the center chain with the double crochet. It will be like the first row, and we'll be continuing that for the third row, and again for the fourth row we'll be continuing the second row. So 1 and 2 rows will be repeating again and again throughout the scarf. So repeat these 2 rows until you reach the required length. The required length will be 76 inches and the breadth will be 12 inches. On both the ends you will be getting 2 lines of crochet stitches. In the middle you can see 7 circles like this. After completing the required length, I have put a beautiful border on both the ends. For putting the border, at first we should finish both the ends with the single crochet stitch. See, in this space we should put 4 single crochet because there are 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4 single crochets in each space and 1 single crochet in the double crochet. See here, we put 4 single crochet in the larger space and I have finished the edge with 1 continuous line of single crochet. Put 3 chains and turn the side. Put a double crochet in the first double crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 and insert the needle through these 2 yarns here and put a single crochet. And again put a double crochet. Leave 1 chain and in the next chain put a double crochet. Again for the design we make 3 chains and through these 2 yarn insert the needle and put a single crochet. Again leave 1 space and in the next chain make a double crochet. In this same method, let us continuously put the border on both the end of the scarf. This lacy stitch will give a beautiful look for your scarf. And now I have finished the border. You can finish it with the double crochet at the end. Like this. Cut the yarn. Pull it through the chain. Make a knot. And pass the yarn through few of your crochet stitches like this and finish the scarf. I hope you understood this easily. If you like this video, please share with your friends and click thumbs up. If you have not subscribed for my channel, please subscribe so that you will get notifications for my future videos. And I have given the links in description for other crochet videos. Thank you for watching.